Welcome my friends to Art and Craft again. Today we are going to work on this template trying to make a meal from Play-Doh or a piece of paper, as you can see here. Okay, now let's start with the ingredients. For the first meal we are going to make pizza. I can make the pizza dough using this paper, and I'm using this shape to make circle. You can use a plate or any circle shape you have at home. We draw a circle, goes around like this, and we try to cut it. So this is what we will have after we cut the shape. So you can divide it like this and start to cut them. Okay, be careful when you are using scissors. Now let's make this flip here using any material you have at home. You can use also pencil. Okay, just make it small. This is the crust. Okay, you are making a crust of the pizza, so you arrange it here. Okay, let's go for the topping. Okay, what do we have here for topping? You can use some paper. I cut like leaves. This is another shape, or just a simple square, rectangle, long shape. Okay, for the pepperoni also you can use paper. I am working on the plastic map, so I keep my paper clean so I can redo the decoration or making the meal with the Play-Doh so many times without getting the paper being dirty. If you are going to use a Play-Doh for the pepperoni, for example, then make a small round. Just do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to press it. Just gently press the dough like this. Okay, I'm using this as a spatula. So now you have a pepperoni. Okay, you can place it there. You can also use your finger, both of your fingers. This is how you create a pepperoni. Okay, a red paprika and a green one. Okay, you also can make using a Play-Doh. Take some, just a little bit, okay, and roll it over the plastic map gently so you can have a long strip just like that, and then you can shape it like this. Okay, so I have here paprika made from a Play-Doh, and also paprika from piece of paper. We also have some pepperoni here, and also a pepperoni that we have made from Play-Doh as well. Okay, I'll teach you a simple way how to make an olive. Get the black Play-Doh and try to roll it gently. You can use any cutter you have at home, and then use the small one here to cut inside the circle so you can get a shape of, yeah, you can call it the shape of donut. It is. Okay, now here we have olive. Okay, so this is our olive. If you don't have a cutter at home, you can also do the same as you have done for the paprika. You can roll it like this gently. You don't have to press so hard, just softly, and then you go for shaping it just like this and join both edges. It's about actually your imagination. You can create whatever you want. Use your imagination. This is a small olive. For the mushroom, just simply try to make like a mushroom shape. This is the shape of the mushroom. Okay, any shape you like. As I said, use your imagination. Now let's go for the topping. Okay, now for the cheese topping. sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Yes, for those who loves cheese, we sprinkle more. Now you can put an olive here. It's just like that. Ta-da! Now our pizza is ready, and you can have a slice of pizza. I have it here. Okay.